science behind what we call earthing. Now, you see our homes, our buildings everywhere, we have three phases, right? We have all the wires of the housing and the building, they get earthed inside the ground, the earth, and when the building is constructed, they go right deep down 10 to 12 feet and they connect all the wires there. Why is that done? That is done because electrons are getting from the earth, which is a negative charge. Then you have in the plug you have the three phases, right? So you have the positive phase, which is the proton, which get ions from the atmosphere, that is oxygen, what we are. Second is neutrons, which is no charge. Okay. Third is electrons. Now, all of you must have lived a lifestyle, at least somewhere in your life, where you are connected with earth, direct earth. You know, whether in your hometowns or your auntie is the only one, I think she said she never moved her earth, but some way or the other you were always connected with the earth. Now what has happened is, I'll just show you. So basically we are all electrical beings. We are electrical first and then chemical. Now what do I mean by electrical? We have cells inside our body and the cells are all the same. You have protons, neutrons and electrons. Now what has happened is, protons we get from the oxygen which we are breathing. Neutrons, no charge. Electrons is what we actually have now become deficient about. Okay? And why that has taken place is because earlier the people were basically in India barefoot, or they were wearing leather-soled shoes. All your shoes in your childhood days were leather-soled, and that is semiconductive. So you were naturally getting the electrons from the earth. Even your houses, most of the houses were like bungalows, or they were in the villages, they were like, you know, the natural surface, they had cow dung and everything, right? Now what has happened, we are living in high towers and we are having all artificial flooring, right? So this is what has got us disconnected from the earth. One of the main reasons what we got disconnected is with the synthetic soled shoes. All our leather shoes and our synthetic leather shoes have gone away. Even the shoes are there, the soles are all synthetic. So since plastic was discovered in 1960s, the synthetic soled shoes came in, and synthetic soled shoes is basically non-conductive, means it is not able to soak in the electrons which our body and our cells require for proper functioning. Now why? Because our body is actually very similar to the earth's energy. When see the cycles change, right, throughout the year, like we have the different seasons and we have now the equinox coming, the earth changes and it has got the circadian cycle where the whole balance of the earth changes, right, the energy of the earth changes. Same way our body also takes up that energy with the earth. So this has been proven actually that our energy is very similar to the earth's energy, and because of synthetic soled shoes we have got totally disconnected from the earth. And that is why what has happened is, over a period of time, like for my case I told you, in my school days I was connected with the earth, so I never had any aches and pains, no sports injuries in those days. You see the sports nowadays, your kabaddi, your wrestling, everything in the villages it's done in mud, but now everything is synthetic turf. So what has happened over a period of years, there is this inflammation which has come into our body. Now what is inflammation? Our blood which is there in our body, which is supposed to have a certain consistency, you know, to flow naturally inside, that has started becoming thicker. Why? Because the cells are electron deprived and they started sticking to each other, and that sticking of the cells together, they are not getting the electrons, you know, as a fodder to function properly. They have started causing, when you see the picture out here, this is the one which is high inflammation, and this is after earthing or grounding, what we call. It has naturally opened up and it's like oxygen your lungs require. Same way our cells require this electrons from the earth. So in short, what is earthing? Earthing is taking in the electrons from the soles of our feet or the palms or any skin which touches the natural surface of the earth. That is called earthing or grounding. To keep our body in balance with the earth's potential. benefits of earthing. It reduces stress levels. See, as soon as you remove your footwear, you stand on grass or anywhere, you go on the beach, you touch your feet in water, you start feeling good. And this has been one of the major reasons for reducing your stress levels instantly. Why would they say to go out and walk in the nature? You feel good. But earthing, what happens is a gush of electrons which charge and brings your cortisol levels in such a good position that you start feeling very good. Then it is for decreased levels of inflammation and pain. Like today's topic is on that. All the chronic modern diseases, right from diabetes, cardiovascular, cancer, then your arthritis, your osteoarthritis, rheumatoid arthritis, all these are related, thyroid, everything is related to lack of electrons and we are not earthing. Alright? Then it improves blood circulation. Like I told you, this is like the electrons are like a petrol for our cell functioning. For our cells to function, if one cell is healthy, it automatically multiplies naturally into many more cells. So your body is and there is a misconception that we are aging, that is why these problems are coming. It has nothing to do with age. It is basically your electrons are deprived from these electrons and your cells are not functioning properly. And then you have improved sleep quality. Like I told you, in the first 2 nights when I went and connected with nature bare feet, I started sleeping well and balances the body's energy system, that it brings it to a homeostatic position. मतलब आपका जो बॉडी का जो बैलेंस है ना, सारे सेल्स एंड एवरीथिंग, वो अपने आप अर्थ की जो एनर्जी है ना उसमें आ जाती है, तो ऑटोमेटिकली यू स्टार्ट फीलिंग वेरी गुड, यू फील एनर्जाइज्ड एंड एवरीथिंग. So this earthing actually was first accidentally found by Clint Ober, who is called the father of the earthing movement or revolution. He found that we are, after synthetic sole shoes, we have got disconnected from the earth and all the modern diseases that we have got after even the 60s and 70s, because earlier before that only infectious diseases were there. He happened to find out that this is all because of our disconnect from the earth. Okay, so this is what it is, and all that inflammation, pain, your Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, dementia, everything is because lack of these electrons which are there in the body. And this has been proven scientifically. They have done 32 research study groups in the past 25 years, where everything is available on earthinginstitute.net. You have a plethora of testimonies and information of all the studies that have taken place. Okay, it immediately reduces your blood pressure. Okay, then also your chronic obstructive pulmonary diseases, your lungs and everything. So naturally when you start earthing, automatically the cells function and you start healing faster. Okay, then also your hip joints, your bruises, your back pain. When you start walking on the grass, the first thing people who have back pain, they have said that their back pain has reduced. It has not got cured, but the pain has subsided. That is all. Then also it has been proven by that your pregnancy and infertility is also one of the main reasons is because of the lifestyle has totally changed. We are continuously indoors or in an AC car or in a this, and we are all wearing synthetic sole shoes. And because of that, the cells are not getting those electrons to function better. So that's why one of the main reasons of infertility in the past 30 years is because of lack of electrons. Then also your arterial fibrillation. This also your heart which is there, it doesn't function well because the blood is becoming thick, the blood viscosity is increasing, right? So it is pumping and that's when the clots start forming because the cells are sticking to each other. That is why you are having blockages in the heart. That is why you have this cardiac arrest. Is because of the blood viscosity which has thickened. And earthing helps to just bring the blood to the correct potential which it needs to bring. Okay. Also, a lot of cases for asthma and also thyroid problems. Like I told you about Renuka Happalar. Asthma also breathing. In fact, today I just did a yoga session after nearly 1 year with my yoga instructor, and I was able to function and do my yoga so well. I was just telling Parul that, you know, my spondylitis, I could not even lift my hand during yoga. I used to faint so much. But today, after 1 year of your break, I still could do it because now my body is filled with all those electrons and it's functioning well. The aches and pains have gone. I'm maybe not that good, but still I'm able to do it without any aches and pains. And that's what earthing does. Then you have, this is very important for men, prostate enlargement also has been proven in the Earthing Institute that it comes because of lack of electrons. Also your psoriasis, any skin diseases, your eczemas, everything is because of lack of electrons. Then also chronic fatigue and low energy fibromyalgia. This also is, nowadays you see all your children, grandchildren, everybody is in the laptop and everything, right? They are actually, there's another science which is called electromagnetic field, which all, like you touch the mobile when it's charging and you take it to your ear, it's so hot, right? All that radiation is there and that is really bad for our health. And now the lifestyle has totally changed where everything is, we are taking all electricity but not discharging our body. And that discharging comes only with earthing. And you have restless leg syndromes, people who have severe pains in their legs, they are not able to stand, they are very weak in their legs. All this is because of the lack of electrons. And then this is what I was talking about, electromagnetic sensitivity means some people are so sensitive, like you touch knobs, you get that static energy, electricity, right? Then even you touch a TV, also the feet. This is called the K1 point, which is called the meridian of the entire body. What does it do? Kidney and gallbladder is water, right? And water and skin are highly conductive, and when you start walking on the grass or connect with the earth barefoot, even if you sit on the bench and put your feet on the floor, okay, you don't even have to walk, just touch your feet on the earth. You are soaking in those electrons through these K1 points, alright? Then you have also, there are people who say that we have got stents in our body, we have got, you know, like different instruments which are being placed. So, can we do earthing with that? Will that harm? So, earthing is something which is so natural that it will not harm any of the things that, artificial things that you have inside your body. Okay? So, that has been proven that whenever you are outdoors, or I will show you the products also, because everybody cannot come out, weather conditions, they're not able to get out of their house, you know. So there are reasons for that. So they say that even if you have stents in your body and everything, you are able to earth. It's absolutely safe. It is something which is the most natural state of a human being. You are supposed to be connected with the earth. And our mindset has now totally changed. You look at the farmers, you look at the people in the villages during COVID, the second phase. Most of the people till then in the villages did not have COVID because they were naturally earthing. Their immunity was very good. That is why. It is not only about your food and exercise. It is because of the immunity increases. It is like I call the 5 pillars. You know, your food, your mental stress, your exercise, then your meditation and everything. And 5th is your earthing, which binds all these things together and improves your immunity. And you see, like I told you, our lifestyle has completely changed. We are everywhere with so much of electric magnetic field that, you know, in here, young Lakshmi uncle, can you just come and talk? You can give your, आप बताइए नहीं, आप बताइए. It will be nice to hear from sir. 87, please, come.
जान भाई को भेजती हूँ, नाइस टू मीट यू एवरीबॉडी. जान भाई को मिले मुझे 1 साल हो गया. उसने जो बताया है, मेरा ये पैर में प्रॉब्लम था, मैंने आप मतलब कुछ लोग करो, आप ये अर्थिंग लगाओ, यहाँ पर आओ, मुझे आधा घंटा शाम को अर्थिंग लगाओ, पैसे लगाओ, आप बराबर हो जाएगा. 3 महीने के अंदर मेरा एकदम क्लियर हो. माई बैक पेन ऑल्सो सेम थिंग. ये है नॉट.
And he comes
But we should be very sincere to
Yeah.
this. कि आज हो जाएगा, कल हो जाएगा, वो क्विक फास्ट नहीं होएगा. वो उसके लिए टाइम आपको स्पेंड करना पड़ेगा.
He was supposed to go for another knee surgery. He told the doctor, give me 6 months time. And he was regular in his early walking barefoot on the this, and he used to put those patches on his
Still
legs.
today also I am walking there.
Barefoot, and he does now back walking. He does 200 steps. He's able to do it on his own now at this age. But he's so regular. You see him every day in the evening, and that is the key for a good health. Why? It's like our breath. Till somebody asks, how long do we need to earn? We need to earn till our last breath. That is right. So I think he's one of the most regular persons here in Erling. So I think you all need to give him a big clap for that. Right. And this was Mr. Colonel Vijay Wall. So we put those patches for him and yeah. I'll tell. I just wanted to show you. Then this was this lady who is also very young. See, most of the women from the age of 30 to 60 start developing this chronic pain because of the disconnect from the earth. Our lifestyle has completely changed. And this is Dr. Agarwal. You must have seen he takes yoga in the morning out here. He had severe corn for past 3 years. He has 12 pairs of shoes. He tried everything. Nothing worked. He just started walking barefoot on the wet early morning dew grass, and within 2 weeks his corn naturally just fell off and he's able to walk. Then he disconnected. Monsoons, he said, "Hey, I'm not coming down, it's more raining." I said, "Uncle, don't, just sit after your yoga with the umbrella, sit on the bench and just touch your feet." But he got disconnected, and then after 6 months he came back. He says, "My aches and pains have started again." So what uncle has said is very true. Once you start, you should not stop. And I think auntie also did that. She had got relief, but she stopped. And when you stop, what happens is the body automatically, because our lifestyle is such, we're wearing synthetic soap shoes, we're disconnected. So once you stop, automatically the cells start sticking to each other. So regularity is the key. And this is my father. This was last April when I got the Clint Obert. He had sent all these rods which I've been putting. He saw my work at Joggers Park. That I'm making people only walk barefoot and they're feeling good, like uncle and everything. They're healing only by walking on the grass. So he sent these sling pads and 1 or 2 for me, for myself as a family, and lot of rods and patches and everything. So I went and gave it to my dad. This is called the Erling Universal mat, and this is a sleep mat. He had not stepped out of the house for 5 years. Literally, he could not walk. In 5 nights, after sleeping on the mat, he started walking, and he came with me to the park also. Uncle knows that, right? So why at night? They say that, is this enough? No. Because you see, all his cell regeneration takes place during the night. And your healing takes place maximum during the night. And your cortisol level increases very high between 4 to 6 a.m. in the morning. You see, most of the strokes and cardiac arrest takes place between 3 and 4 in the morning. Because your cortisol level naturally rises. That is the time you actually need to earn. And that is why you see people in the earlier days, older days, they used to say, 4 baje ki go to the meditation karo, yoga karo. Now yoga is also on synthetic mat. Earlier yoga was done on dharis, cotton, right? So everything has become synthetic. Our lifestyle, our brain thinking, everything has become synthetic. So this is what has happened, and because of that, we have all these diseases. And this was my mother that time, which was last April. Now she's much better. So this is that sleep mat, the pillow. This is how I had, you put the patch on the knee where it is pain. Now what are these patches? These are actually ECG, AKG, hearts which we put for that. These are those patches. They've got high electrons in that, and we attach it to the place where there is chronic pain. Like auntie had done that. On that pain you attach, within 10 minutes the pain subsides. Within 10 minutes the pain subsides. Yeah, same thing with him. So it subsides, but doesn't mean it is curing. I still have knee problem. Today I did not do Vajrasana and everything in my yoga because I know that when I sit on the knee, it still will pain. It will cause that because everything is dried up inside, right? It will take time. But what I was and what I am today, I can run now. I can sprint. So that's a big thing for me, and it's literally, I tell Clint Obert that I have got my life back. Literally, because I used to cry and I used to look at the universe and say, what is happening to me. You know, that was the condition. That's all. They say, yeah, barefoot in the house. Why? Because your feet will get used to the natural acupressure will take place. So when you are earthing, already your acupressure points are opened up. You know, so it will help. Yeah. Yeah. Now one important thing which I want to share is, even when, because अभी हम लोग ना blood thinning medicines पे हैं, thyroid की medicines पे हैं, blood pressure की medicines और diabetes, ये 4 medicines जो है ना, we have to take a physician into, like my father, he was had an open heart surgery, he was on blood thinning medicine, my mother also, and high blood pressure. But with earthing, within 2 weeks the blood pressure came down. So the dosage has to be monitored. Like I told you, from 100 mg to come to 75 mg for thyroid. So that the doctor, your family physician should know. And उसके symptoms आपको कैसे पता चलते हैं? आपको जैसे जब earthing शुरू करते हैं ना, there are people who catch cold, fever, they will start feeling very weak sometimes. Okay, sometimes you feel anxiety. इसका मतलब there is some imbalance. Now what is it? Is not imbalance. It is actually your cells are finding something new which उनको इतने सालों से they had not got that electrons. So they are trying to get those electrons and they are adjusting themselves inside. So it's very important once you start earthing, especially now क्योंकि आप लोग पूरे disconnect हो. Even if you come and put your feet on the grass and whatever, you must keep your physician in picture. It's very important. That is one thing which Clitover always advises. Please keep your physician in picture. Get your diabetes counts checked every time, thyroid, your hyper, and you don't have to stop. This is called a detox phase. See, when we go for naturopathy, you go to naturopathy at Tadiwala Road, Kerala, Jindals, right? What happens? You start sometimes feeling ना very parched, सूखा मुंह हो जाता है, सब कुछ हो जाता है. ये क्यों होता है? Because your body is eating up those, having those electrons. It is बहुत भूखा है वो. So it is using up whatever is there, correct? तो वो डिटॉक्स फेज आता है. जैसे हम बोलते हैं ना, होम्योपैथी एंड आयुर्वेदिक भी जड़ से निकालता है. अर्थिंग ऑल्सो बेसिकली टेक्स इट टू द रूट ऑफ द cells. Okay, that is the time you should not stop. Like what uncle said, whenever you have flu-like symptoms, you have, you know, there are cases where the Neela Mahajan who comes in the morning, she had knee problem and hips. Her pain started traveling after 1 week all over the body. And then I said, no, this is the time not to stop, continue. And when she continued, after 20 days, all the pains just disappeared. So this is what is important. This is what I wanted. My father had, or you have, this is called that earthing foot mat. Okay, I just want to say that I am not into any commercial, this is just to, you know, educate you all that this is what you need to do, like my parents are doing at home. So this is a foot mat which you can place on the bed also, and also you can put it on the floor. But if you put it on the floor and you sit like you are sitting now and you connect it to the what you call the point in the house, okay, the wire. This is it. This is plastic. No, it is carbon infused. It is carbon. This is from earthing.com in US. Okay, so this is